So you are just one funnel away to grow your business online and generate highly qualified leads and sales and skyrocket your revenue. And in this video of the part one of funnel strategy for interior designers, where I'm going to teach you how and what is this funnel looks like and how it's work. And in part two, I'm going to give you the practical step, each and everything, how you can start building your own marketing funnel. So before going ahead, let's talk about some myths what people have in their mind. What most of the people think funnels means just landing pages, but this is not about the real meaning of funnel. There is lots of things in the funnel. So hey guys, my name is Aryan. I am an interior designer marketing consultant. We help interior designers to get highly qualified leads, sales, find out and help them to find the right clients for them using cost effective ads and funnels. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the funnel strategy that we use, which is already proven, and this works for every single interior designer. It doesn't matter in which niche you are. So this is the part one, and if you have any kind of queries after watching this video, you can drop the comment down below so that I can reply you in next 24 hours, and we answer all the queries in next 24 hours. So you can comment down below after watching this video. So this is the part one where I'm going to talk about the basics of funnels. What is this funnel? Which type of funnel suits you best? There are lots of different funnels you can use, like lead generation funnel, sales funnel, marketing funnel, and every business has their own unique funnel. So here what you have to do, I will start my sharing my whiteboard, because this is here we don't need to focus all these things. So here is the whiteboard right now in front of you guys. So what is funnel? As if we talk about the simple meaning of funnel, we all know. Let's keep it here. So yeah, this is the simple funnel look like. This is the top of the funnel, this is the middle of the funnel, and that's where the sale happens. But first of all, we need to focus on top of the funnel, and top of the funnel is awareness. I'm unable to write, but yeah, you can understand what is awareness means. So this is awareness. First of all, you need to create the awareness of your product in the market. There are lots of different ways and lots of different strategies that you can use to increase your awareness in the market. You can start uploading consistent content across all the social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, each and every platform. You can start writing blogs around your business. Start solving your problems of your target customers problem by writing blogs, by uploading videos on social media, by uploading posts on social media. So first of all, you start creating the awareness in the market. Or the third most important thing you can simply leverage is paid ads. Create the video of what are the three major problems faced by a homeowner while they're while doing their interior design. That's it. Create this video, solve the queries, build awareness in the market in your area, whatever your target audience is. So this is the awareness phase. Now the next phase comes, which is the interest phase. Now, first of all, you have to test and see are your strategies are building awareness in the market, and then the next part came is building interest. You need to build interest among your target audience. You need to see if that's working or not, and that's where the real lead generation process starts. The third part of funnel is helping them to take decision. Helping them to take decision. Now you created awareness in the market, you build their interest, everything. Now it's come to generate leads. You need to build decision. So I already explained lots of different types of ad strategies that you can use if you are an interior designer, if you run an interior designing business. So you can watch that video on my YouTube channel. I will link down below the whole playlist and pin some of the videos on the video. So here you have to first of all help them to take decision. So here you build the interest, you build the awareness. Now it's time to help them to take decision. Simple stuff. And the last most important thing, once they take decisions, once they become your lead, now it's time for action. Now you have to call them, book appointment, or if they are already very interested, they will going to call you and book the appointment. That's it. This is the simple strategy you can use. Now, the next funnel that I would love to tell you about is simple lead generation funnel. I have already uploaded some of the all and the best strategies that you can leverage, but yeah, I'm like not used to with this much, so I'm like getting confused what I have to choose. I think this is no. Let me see what we can do. Get this. So let's talk about the next funnel that you can use. This is just to build awareness in the market. Now I'm talking about how you can generate instant money by using this funnel if you have a good ad budget to test some things. So let's create the funnel part. Oh man, my drawing is literally yeah, I can't. That's the major problem, and that's why I try to keep my videos raw so that it's feel like someone is sitting beside you and teaching you all these things. That's why I don't do much scripting of my videos also. So this is the simple funnel once again. So here you are attracting traffic from Facebook ads, from Google ads, from YouTube ads, but I majorly love to go with Facebook ads. So here you are driving traffic from Facebook ads to your funnel. This is your top of the funnel where you have an interesting offer. Very interesting offer. You have to think, sit whole day and create such offer that you can provide to your target audience, and you are generating traffic through that. There are, let's say, 1,000 people saw your offer. That's it. Via Facebook ads, 1,000 people saw. I think I should click. I should write 1K here. And from 1,000 people, let's say only 10% conversion of 10. 100 people opt in for the offer. 100 people shows interest in your offer from 1,000 people. Now the next step is show up rates. You might be call them, they might be call you. It totally depends on what kind of audience you are targeting. Let's talk about 50% show up rate. 50% from here. Only 50% show up rate. The least conversion ratio. 50 people, maybe some of them call you from their side, or you may call them. So 50 people showed up on the call. And now if we talk about conversion, let's say once again 10% conversion, 5 people closed. Deal done. And you killed it. You killed it. You killed it. You nailed it. That's it. That's where the deal actually closed. So this is some of the basic ideas of the funnel that I want to give you. This is how all this system work. Funnel doesn't mean just creating landing pages. This is what most of the people think about funnel. Funnel is lots of different things. Every business has their own funnels. Like let's say some other industry, real estate agents have their own different kind of funnel. But this is the best funnel. If you are an interior designer, you can leverage it and start building your business. Every business has, as I told you, is a different funnel. Real estate agents have different funnel. Chiropractors have different funnel. Tattoo removal businesses have different funnel. Every single business has different funnel. You need to clarify which funnel works for your business and which going to suits your business. So I hope you find this video valuable. And if you are into a designer looking to grow your business online and need some consultation and want to see how all these things work more clearly, then what you can do, you can book a one-on-one consultation with us. Link is available in the description box. The first link you can click and book a call with us. That is going to free strategy call. No need to pay a single penny for that. And then where we can tell you how we can help you, and from there we can see how we can work together. So that's how all these things work. So I hope you find this video valuable. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I appreciate your valuable time that you spend on this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and be ready for the part 2. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye.